Baking has always been a part of my mama's life. I remember watching my mother in the kitchen, her hands moving with such grace as she created the most delicious cakes. It was a magical place filled with the aroma of cinnamon and vanilla, and the warmth of family love.